Hello creators, are you ready to produce stunning whiteboard animation videos for free? Look no further. Today we'll explore Animaker's Whiteboard AI, a fantastic and beginner-friendly tool perfect for anyone wanting professional whiteboard animations without breaking the bank. Whether you're creating educational content, marketing material, or storytelling videos, Animaker has you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Get started with Animaker. Go to animaker.com and create a free account. Animaker offers a simple and visually appealing dashboard to help you get started right away. No software installation is required since everything runs smoothly online. Step 2. Create a new whiteboard video. Once logged in, click on the Create New button and choose the whiteboard animation option. Animaker provides a variety of templates tailored for different purposes. Select a template that matches your video's theme, or start from scratch for complete customization. Step 3. Write or import your script. In the script editor, you can either type your own text or import it. Animaker's AI will automatically analyze your script and suggest animations and transitions based on your content. This feature ensures a seamless storytelling experience without requiring manual effort. Step 4. Add characters and assets. Animaker's vast library includes animated characters, props, and icons specifically designed for whiteboard animation. Drag and drop these elements onto your canvas and position them as needed. The AI intelligently adjusts animations to make them look hand-drawn. Step 5. Customize your visuals. Fine-tune your video by adjusting the timing, transitions, and colors. Animaker allows you to personalize every aspect of your whiteboard animation, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your vision. You can even switch between whiteboard styles, such as chalkboard or notepad effects. Step 6. Preview your work. Click on the preview button to see your masterpiece in action. Check for any adjustments you might need and tweak them effortlessly using Animaker's user-friendly interface. Step 7. Export your video. Once satisfied, export your video in your desired resolution. Animaker offers free export options with high-quality output, making it perfect for YouTube, social media, or professional presentations. And that's it! Animaker's Whiteboard AI makes creating whiteboard animation videos in 2025 a breeze, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting. This tool ensures you can craft visually engaging videos without spending a dime. Try it out and let your creativity shine. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.